Welcome back to my channel. Let's solve this question under scalars and vector quantities. Okay, let's read the question. It said a nail on a vertical wall is pulled by means of a cord attached to its head if the cord makes an angle of 60 degrees to the horizontal and it exerts a force of 80 Newton on the nail. They said find number one, find the effective force which tends to pull the nail out of the wall. Number two, the force which tends to bend the nail. Now it's very simple, okay? Let me explain everything. Now, they said a vertical wall. This is a wall. Are you getting it? This is a representation. I don't know how to draw, okay? This is a wall. And they said a nail on a vertical wall. This is a nail. Are you getting it? On a vertical wall. Is nailed on a vertical wall. Are you getting it? Is pulled by means of a cord. This is the cord, okay, attached to its head. This is the head of the nail. If the cord makes an angle of 60 degrees to the horizontal, look at it. If the cord makes an angle of 60 degrees to the horizontal, this is the horizontal force, while this is the vertical force. When we are calculating for the x and y components, the x represents the horizontal line, right? While the y represents the vertical line. I get it. So when we are calculating for the total component of the horizontal, we make use of what? Cos, right? But when we are solving for the vertical components, we make use of sine. I get it. So this is what you should understand. Now this is the force. This is the value of force. So now they said the effective, we should what? They said we should calculate the force which tend to pull the nail out of the wall, which was tend to pull the nail. So the force that is tending to pull the nail out of the wall, is it vertical or horizontal? Is horizontal, right? Tending to pull the nail out or out from the wall, right? So meaning we are asked to calculate for two things, both the x component and the y component. I get it, both the horizontal component and the vertical component. So let's first of all calculate for the x or the horizontal component. So it will now be fx equal to f cos theta, while the vertical component will be f sine theta. Are you getting it now? For the horizontal or x component, we make use of cos, while the vertical or the y component, we make use of what? Sine. Okay, so let's impute the values. So first is what? 80, that is 80 multiplied by, then cos what? The angle is 60, so you write 60 degree. Okay, then this one, the first is 80 multiplied by sine 60. So if you solve for the first one, the answer is 40. Okay, while the second one, 69.28. Okay, so these are the two answers. Okay, these are the two answers. These are the two answers to Newton we are calculating for